This one's for the ladies. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To this video we're going to be unboxing something for the ladies. As you see in the title of the video, this is a UV nail. Polishes your nails and makes them dry a lot faster, which is really useful apparently to be going out somewhere really quick. You just dry your nails and you're good to go. Let's get into this. I'll throw a link up in the description. So as you can see, this is by Crenova. This is a 72 watt LED UV lamp for nails. It's a 2-in-1. It is nice clean white box. So it sunshine nails, comfortable eye contact, relieve burning sensation. It has a double light source, 365 plus 405 nanometers. Secure UV gel builder LED gel. It's 36 LEDs, no dead zone, more free, and it has 50,000 hour lifetime, which is, let's get into it. Right. And then you also have some manuals card. So if you don't like the product, you open it on that side. If you're satisfied, then you can open it on this side and you can see what to do. So you have 1-year warranty and some other information here, which is really nice. Let's get into the product. So it comes nicely wrapped in this foam. You have the power supply. Feels nice as a DC outdoor it in like this, but so here it is. I did unbox it already to test it out. Shame to that. You have a removable base. So if you want to, like, I don't know, change out the base or something, you can do that. Alright, let's go ahead and quickly plug this in. This is where you plug it in, pretty simple. There's an indicator right here. It's really cool. So you have a 10 second, 30 second, 60 second, and a 90 second low heat mode. You press it. It is extremely bright, but you just basically put your hands in right here. For that amount of time. And if you basically remove, as you can see, it has a nice sensor. So whenever you put your hand in there, it'll light on. And I could feel the heat, low heat. And set it to 99 seconds if you wanted to. And then you see, you can just like go do something real quick and then just do this. You can do one hand if you want to. You can take it out, it'll pause, do it again. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you can reset it. Rose gold or like a pink metal look to it, but it's all made out of plastic, shiny. It has like 5 stars almost on Amazon. I'm pretty sure it works really well. I don't know how to demonstrate it on this video, but I'll probably try. Maybe not. It could be for the eyes. And apparently these are, the beads on these are supposed to be good, so you can look at them. But I don't recommend looking at them at all, just fairly because of the point it uses UV. But other than that, if you're in a nail polish business or anything like that, definitely get one of these. It speeds up the process for all the clients, which is during quarantine, just like a small business with friends and family or something. Definitely check this out. It is only $25. It's really good. Check it out. Link in the description for sure. Make sure you subscribe. I might have some more girl products coming out soon, so that way I have some balanced out. But yeah, some cool tech check out on this channel, but you can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.